Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Thunkable game. Thunkable is an innovative no-code platform that empowers you to build mobile applications and games without writing a single line of traditional code. It offers a visual drag-and-drop interface for designing your game's look and feel, combined with a powerful block-based coding system for implementing all the game's logic and interactivity. You can develop engaging games for both Android and iOS, reaching a wide audience with your creations. Once you are in the Thunkable editor, your first step is to design the visual interface of your game. This involves dragging and dropping various components, such as images for backgrounds, buttons for controls, and labels for displaying scores or instructions, onto your game screen. You will arrange these elements using layout components like rows and columns to ensure a clean and organized look. Remember to customize properties like size, color, and font to perfectly match your game's unique style. With your game's interface designed, the next crucial step is to bring it to life by implementing the game logic using Thunkable's intuitive block-based coding system. You will connect blocks to create event handlers that respond to user actions, such as a player tapping a button or touching the screen. This is where you define core game mechanics like character movement, scoring systems, and even complex collision detection between game objects, making your game truly interactive and engaging for players. After building your game, thorough testing is essential to ensure everything works as intended. You can test your game in real time on a physical device using the Thunkable Live Companion app, allowing you to experience it exactly as your players would. If you encounter any bugs or unexpected behavior, carefully debug your block logic and review component properties. Once satisfied, you can then publish your finished game to major app stores, such as the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, sharing your creation with the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.